There are 140 species living on 120 acres of alder-grow land. The animals been well taken care of. This is really adventure to go and see how they live. Let's go on a site and see different kind of species and also enjoy the video. Stay with me. Peace to all. The zoo is open till 4 p.m. from 8:30, I believe. I don't remember, but it's winter hours. But you can stay. Doesn't mean that you have to go. You can stay longer, like half an hour. Doesn't hurt. In the front of me, you see a hug station. The miniature train goes all around the zoo, taking kids for fun. There's a big playground on my right, so it's fun for whole family. You can also rent carts like this and enjoy your visit. Peacock just walking freely in the front of us. Choo Choo train can take you all guys. A nice ride. Look at the turtle, guys! They having brunch right now, so they just usually they walk on a field, but as soon as we got here, they just went for brunch.
You see those pyramids that start on his back?
Does it mean anything?
If those pyramids get really high, it means they're like this. Smash the like
Button.
Smash the like button. Follow, subscribe, turn on notification bells.
Thank you. Red-tailed lemur.
One lemur's in there.
Great jump.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoy the walk with Tekla Pasha channel in Great Vancouver Zoo. So put a like, and if you enjoyed the video, and stay for the rest of our great walk. Come and visit sometimes Vancouver Zoo. It's really fun.
They look like chickens.
But they are eagles, right? Attention, Jurassic Park, Aldegrove, BC.
Screamed at me. Why did it scream at me? Screaming at us.
Tyrannosaurus in front of you. Quiet guy for today. No noises. So.
New York.
Look, they have like a new one over there.
The one from Jurassic Park.
He's ready for New York. He's a bougie boy. Right there. Move your hand in front of the motion.
Nope, not moving.
Maybe it's not set up yet. I don't know.
I think it's
Right, right.
You gotta figure that out now.
then why?
The waves are so weird. Hey, if that one's getting eaten.
Lophosaurus. It's from Jurassic Park, definitely. Is it a baby one?
He's
Oh.
smiling.
Look at this.
It's smiling. It's whiny. That dinosaur. Imagine the dinosaurs here actually like moved around, walked around. And I would be big. I love it. Imagine if you move at night and then I could.
We're leaving Jurassic Park in a minute. Saying it's got to be all alive. The eggs of dinosaur. Jurassic period. Take a picture here with Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, Jurassic Park. Stay tuned, stay happy. I'll see you in next video. Have a great night, day, or wherever you are. Jurassic Park welcomed us very much. Bye-bye now. The wolf is not happy today. Doesn't want to come say hi to Black Fox. So cute. The other one is napping too, see? Black Fox. Like the fox, put like. Gazelles saying bye to us. See you guys in the next video. A famous zebra. So with the last guest of Greater Vancouver Zoo, heading to the exit, had a great time. So we saw so many different kind of animal species.